Welcome to this course, which is all about helping you to become a certified Bitcoin professional. So in this lecture, I'm going to give you an all-round introduction to this course. Then we're going to dive straight in and immerse ourselves in understanding everything the test requires us to in order to successfully pass it, which is our aim. Now, you might have a little thought in the back of your mind which reads the following. Why this certification? Well, there are a few key areas in which this specific certification positively distinguishes itself from others. Now, I'll just go over them for you so you're aware as to why this certification is the one to have. Firstly, we have the board of directors and advisors of this certification body. They are very well known and respected leaders in this field. So you can be assured the exam covers everything that's needed to ensure that you're fully proficient in the topic of the exam that you're taking. On top of that, it reassures others of your knowledge beyond the certification, as they'll see that you are certified by such notable individuals in the cryptocurrency field. Secondly, they adhere to a set code of ethics, along with a standardised C4 certification. All of this combined ensures that the great work this certification body does is done so in a correct manner. Because we want a stable certification body, and that's what you get through this Bitcoin certification. And finally, the certification can be checked by anybody. So once you've passed and need to prove to someone that you have passed, simply provide them with your digits and they can check for themselves via the certification site whether or not you're actually certified. So that's everything on why this certification far exceeds others that are available today. Now, there is one more key thing that I'd like to go over with you before ending this lecture. And that's the structure of this course. So let's go over that now. So this course is structured in a very logical way, covering everything as you'll do in the exam. Yeah, I want to make it challenging. So by the end, you do feel confident in taking the exam with everything that you've gained from this course. So we kick this course off with section 1, which is this section. Here you'll get an introduction to the course, as well as learn from my experience with taking the exam. On top of that, I'm going to be setting a complete quiz I want you to complete. You'll be tested on the exact same quiz at the end of this course. Now, these are going to be practice questions from the exam. And by doing it at the start, then again at the end, it will show your progression as you've gone through the course. Then from section 2 to section 7, we're going to be covering every aspect of Bitcoin you could potentially be asked in the exam. And each section, as you'll see, ends in a mini quiz. Once again, those are practice questions. Once all that is done, this course will round off in section 8, where you'll be set the same quiz from section 1, and you'll be able to see how well that you've progressed. And then I'll also be sharing a workbook of the questions and answers. So you can actually print that off if you want to, and then use it offline as a guide to study. So you've got that available to you, but no cheating. I don't want you looking at the workbook until you've gone through the whole course. So that's how this course is structured to help you get ready to pass the Certified Bitcoin Professional exam. Also, just so you're aware, there is no other guide available in video or text format which is focused on helping someone pass this test successfully. So this is going to be your complete guide and go-to resource. Now, I'm on hand in the discussion board should you have any further questions. Other than that, that's everything for this lecture. I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.